What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm rocking this lovely unit from Wiggins here. And before I go into details and tell you some things about this wig, I'm going to show you all what I received in their package, so stay tuned. So guys, I received the wig in this bag and it said once meet never forget. So I received it in this bag, and in the bag I received these 3D mink lashes, 5 pairs, wig caps, this headband, an extra band to tie around the wig, this edges brush. Guys, this is definitely a go-to wig for me because I'm definitely wearing this wig again, and it said once meet never forget, and that is absolutely true because may I wear the wig again and maybe wear it again and again because oh my god, it's giving off black and natural. Wiggins here, uno go on with the hair. I'm not telling you no lie, I'm so in love with everything about this wig. This wig is also a medium cap and it fits so perfect on my head. Yes guys, may I go no credit. I'm gonna go on in another wig here. I love it. Yeah. So guys, I must say about this wig, so soft, you can run your hand right through it, nothing, the fluff, everything about this wig is perfect. Mwah. So if you all are interested in getting this wig, all the personal information to this wig will be down below in my description. So just click the link down below in my description and go get this wig guys, because may I tell you now, it worth every single dime. I know most of the female love the fluff and the sheen that this hair is giving off. If you all are interested and seeing how I get this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to click the link down below and go get your wig. So guys, I went over the Wiggins hair website and it's so easy to use, super duper easy to use. And if you're wondering how you're going to get your hair in Jamaica, just sign up with a shipping company in Jamaica. When you order your hair, you send them an address and it reach right to you. That is what I did.